Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dutch oven tripod is probably one of the most versatile and convenient cooking accessories for outdoor enthusiasts, allowing you to easily and safely suspend your Dutch oven over any fire pit for even cooking and precise temperature control, perfect for creating delicious meals and desserts in the great outdoors, from hearty stews to crispy breads, and even baking cakes, unleashing your culinary creativity wherever your adventures may take you. Number 5. Stansport Steel Cooking Tripod. It features a sturdy three-legged design for stability, ensuring your cookware stays secure. This tripod is built to last with its heavy-duty steel construction. Adjusting the cooking height is a breeze thanks to the included nickel-plated chain and S-hook. It allows for precise positioning over your fire. It's perfect for hanging various cookware, from Dutch ovens and coffee pots to tea kettles. You can easily cook your favorite meals over an open fire. Its uses extend beyond cooking. It's also great for hanging lanterns, water jugs, or even clothes to dry. Made with lead-free, heavy-duty steel, it provides a safe and reliable cooking experience. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to withstand the elements. Setting it up is quick and easy. Simply unfold the legs and hang your cookware. It's perfect for camping, picnics, or any outdoor cooking adventure. What we like. This tripod boasts a robust, heavy-duty build. Its nickel-plated chain allows for easy height adjustment, perfect for various cooking needs. If you need a reliable and adaptable option for hanging various cookware over a fire, this is the one for you. What people say. Keeps your oven above the flames for scorch-less cooking. Adjust the temp by raising or lowering the oven on the tripod's chain. Sturdy and well-made, we use this every fall to cook over the fire. This is the taller size of tripod, so it works well with the campground fire rings and whatever else I might need to cook over. Assembly and setup are a cinch, which is good, because there are no instructions. One of the best features is that this lets me cook over either coals or flames, because I can adjust how close the Dutch oven is held above the heat. Number 4. Bruntmor Grill Swing. It's perfect for cooking over any campfire. Easily supports a Dutch oven, making it ideal for all your outdoor meals. Made from high-quality steel, it's sturdy and can withstand high heat. Setup and takedown is a breeze. Adjust its height with ease using the swing design and chain latches. It's perfect for cooking various dishes. Lightweight and durable, it folds up easily for transport. The included carrying case makes it perfect for any adventure. It comes with multiple hooks for hanging cookware and other accessories. Everything you need for a great outdoor cooking experience is included. With its versatility and ease of use, it will quickly become your go-to for campfire cooking. Prepare for delicious meals under the stars. What we like. It's built to last with high-quality steel construction. The adjustable design gives you precise height control for perfect cooking. If you're looking for a portable and versatile campfire cooking solution that's easy to transport and store, this is it. Number 3. Campfire Grill Tripod. This versatile tripod is perfect for cooking over any campfire. Its adjustable height ensures even cooking, no matter what you're preparing. It features a sturdy three-legged design for maximum stability, even when fully loaded. You can confidently cook your meals without worrying about it tipping over. Setting it up is a breeze, and it folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. Take it with you on all your outdoor adventures. Made from high-quality hard alumina and featuring a 600D Oxford fabric carry bag, it's built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service. It's not just for cooking. Use it for hanging lanterns, drying clothes, or any other outdoor task that requires a stable hanging point. The possibilities are endless. With a maximum height of 31.5 inches, you can easily adjust it to the perfect height for your cooking needs. The chain allows for precise adjustments. What we like. This lightweight tripod is incredibly easy to set up and pack away. Its compact design makes it ideal for taking on the go. If you prioritize portability and ease of use without sacrificing quality, this is a great choice. What people say. He said the pot hung just right on top of the fire. He loves this tripod and said it works really well. It's so easy to set up, stable, and compact to keep in the camping box. When put on top of a fire ring you can hang a 20-cup coffee pot. Easy packing and assembly. Number 2. REDCAMP Grill Swing. This is the REDCAMP Grill Swing, a versatile and durable campfire cooking stand. It's perfect for cooking delicious meals during your outdoor adventures. It's made from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring it's solid, durable, and resistant to high temperatures. You can use it directly over a campfire. With dimensions of 34 by 34 centimeters, HXW, and a weight of 22.3 pounds, it's the perfect size for portability and stability. The grill grate measures 16 by 11 centimeters. It features a convenient swing grill with chain latches, allowing you to easily adjust the height and control the cooking temperature. Get your food cooked just right. It's designed for use with various cookware, from frying pans to Dutch ovens. Use it to cook over any open fire. It's incredibly easy to set up and take down. Plus, it has 6 hanging hooks for your grilling tools, and its stable A-shaped structure works on various terrains. What we like. Made from high-temperature resistant carbon steel, it provides a stable cooking platform. The multiple hooks offer extra convenience for hanging various cooking tools. If you need a sturdy and versatile option with added hanging space, this is perfect for you. What people say. Pretty intuitive to set up. Pretty sturdy and works great. Love all the different sizes of hooks, and it's just the right height for campfire cooking. It is sturdy. It has options on how close to the fire things are. This one was fun and easy to use with no concerns about how much food is on it. Also, the extra hooks allow you to do a variety of other cooking options from hanging meat to hanging cast iron. Number 1. Lodge Tall Boy Tripod. It's the ultimate campfire cooking companion, standing tall and sturdy for all your outdoor adventures. Its durable construction ensures years of reliable use. With its impressive 60-inch legs, it provides ample height for hanging your Dutch oven over the fire. This ensures even cooking and easy access to your delicious creations. The 360-degree rotating chain allows for precise positioning over the flames. You'll have complete control over the heat, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. It's built to last with its all-steel construction and high-temp black finish. It can withstand the heat and elements, ensuring it's a reliable companion for many camping trips. Easily adjust the chain to find the perfect height for your Dutch oven. This ensures optimal cooking results, no matter the size of your cookware. It's the perfect accessory for cooking delicious meals over an open campfire. Enjoy the convenience and satisfaction of preparing food outdoors with this versatile tripod. Take it with you on your next camping or hiking adventure. It's lightweight enough for easy transport, yet durable enough to withstand the rigors of the outdoors. What we like. This extra-tall tripod provides ample hanging height. The all-steel construction ensures durability and stability. If you need maximum height and a reliable, sturdy design, this is the tripod for you. What people say. This is exactly what I ordered and seems sturdy and that it will work well. It has everything needed to set it over a fire and get cooking, plus a nice carrying case. It seemed wobbly at first, but turned out being quite sturdy. It held a cast iron 12-inch Dutch oven full of chili. The carrying case was a selling point for me, and I'm glad it came with one. This case allows you to carry it in your car vehicle without getting soot on everything. Excellent build, durable and highly recommend. Takes 5 minutes to assemble and the carrying bag is ideal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.